Hi, I'm Michael, and this is The Coming of the Wee Malkies by Stephen Mulrine. Oh, missus, what'll you do when the wee Malkies come? If they dreep down off the wash house dyke and put the hems on the stairhead light and play wee headies off the clean close wall, oh, missus, what'll you do? What'll you do when the wee Malkies come? If they chap your door and choke your drains and caw the feet for your sapsy wains, tummel the walkies through your sheets and tim their ashes out in the street, oh, missus, what'll you do? What'll you do when the wee Malkies come? If they chuck their screw taps down the pan and stick the heat on the sanitary man? If you hear them shockling down your lobby, chanting, "Wee Malkies, game's a bogey," oh, missus, what'll you do?